Yesterday, I asked you to buy gold and silver as both were trading at support and see what wonderfully both has achieved. Silver close to 19.87 or 1987 and gold has in fact reached a high of 1685. I hope you all profited. Now, what should be our strategy today to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day. Now these are the hourly charts for gold and you can clearly see it is still very much in the consolidation phase. It is giving you lower highs and higher lows, precisely trying to trade within this candle, that is from 1690 to 1655 levels, and in fact the previous lows at 1652. So it is precisely getting engulfed between this and trying to take a move between these levels. Now look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly chart, you can clearly see here also on the nearby candles, it is giving you lower highs. It has seen a drop, then a rise, now again trying to drop. Once it trades below 1670, that is a confirmation that we may see again 1667 as 1665. Remember, 1665 is again going to be a crucial level for the day. Below that, you may see another bearish move. When I say bearish move, it means that below 1660 today we may see a greater move which might in fact take it further down till towards 1650 and below levels. Be cautious if it drops below 1660 levels. Yes, we may see a greater move today as it is trying to come out of this consolidation zone. So go short or sell gold at 1670, but remember 1667 is a good support, 1665 is a good support, and then 1660 levels will come into picture. Directional movement is bullish. It may try to converge. Stochastic is at comfortable levels. It is not showing any stress there. MACD is in and it is also trying to converge crossover. Right now it is bullish. RSI is looking downwards. I think we may see a little drop from here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, on the 2-hour charts it is giving you higher and getting the support at these levels. So yes, below 1670, this is also in confirmation that it is trying to break out on the near term bullish move, and it was trying to trade in a narrowing triangle. If it drops below 1670, that is a confirmation that we may see 1667, 1665. 1665 is a very strong support, and then below that 1660. If these two levels are taken, we may see a further stronger downward move. So go short or sell gold at 1670. At the same time, buying is only recommended if you see it trading above 1680 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen a dip, but it is trying to rise back or bounce back from here. The MACD is trading in green and it may try to converge from here, crossover for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour chart, so far we have seen these two candles which is in fact given lower highs and higher highs and higher lows, indicating a little bullish channel. But yes, if it breaks past 1670, you can confirm that it is trying to trade bearish and that we may see a drop above 1680. That is the level above which you can expect a little rise. So do not trade between 1670 to 1680 levels. Directional movement is still bullish. It is trying to diverge here. Stochastic is looking downwards. That is a bearish indication. MACD trading with a little divergence and it is on the greener side, indicating little bullishness, and RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, first thing is you can see these three candles, lower highs indicates that first 1680 and then 1682 levels or 85 levels may provide it a little resistance. Likewise what we had got, and till now see it is trying to trade in this consolidation zone. Any drop below 1670 is a good confirmation that you should sell there. At the same time, any rise above 1680 and then 1685, you have to be very cautious in between 1680-85 zone. That is going to be critical resistance zone. Directional movement bearish and stochastic looking upwards. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is flat. Now look at the daily charts and also look at the candles on the daily charts. See, the body size here is hardly anything. This is perfect doji, and if you see, it is also lower highs, higher lows. So this time, first thing is, as I said, if it drops below 1660, that is a good indication that there could be a sharper red candle which might form at the same time below 1670 this candle might turn red, and then you can expect it to drop. 1660, 765, 1660 are going to be the support. Below 1660 you can expect a sharper drop. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is bullish here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move, and the RSI is trading flat near to bottom. Considering this, see, I will still expect or look forward to a drop, but then on the downside there are strong supports still towards 1660 and below levels. In fact, till 1654, 55 it may get a support. So yes, take the advantage of this move. Sell gold at 1670, and yes, you can buy at 1680 levels. But remember, on the upside too there is a or resistance at 1684.85 and then 1690 zone. I think if it breaks past 1684.85 today, that should be a confirmation that we may see little bullishness. So you have to trade with extra caution there. On the downside, probably you have to take extra caution till 1660 levels, and on the upside till 90 levels, the larger trading zone in which it is trying to trade. As we have seen that it is also engulfing, hence you have to trade with caution. Just do not take any position between 1670 and 1680, and in between these levels just watch how it behaves, and then only you should enter. So this is all for today for gold. Now let's have a look at, and before we proceed to silver, two golden rules: always trade with a stop loss, always trade with a trailing stop loss, and keep shifting your stop loss to cost. If you are not put a trailing stop loss, keep shifting your stop loss to cost, such that in order of or in case of a reversal you might safeguard your positions and prevent your capital and preserve your capital. So just adopt these two things. And also, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries and the right exits and the strategy to in order to profit, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October. 90 minutes daily live sessions and a lifetime support is what you get. Do not miss this. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be a Patreon and support the effort out there. Also, you can get some of your queries answered there. If you become a Patreon, you can write down an email directly one-to-one to me, and the contribution there is minuscule, that is $7 a month. Become a patron. The link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver. Likewise, what we had seen on gold, silver too is trying to give you lower highs and higher lows. The resistance now at 1980, the support there at 1960 is strong, and in fact till 1950 there is going to be support for silver. Below 1950 you can expect a sharper drop. Now look at the hourly charts. See the rise there and then sharp drop, consolidation, and now again it is trying to drop from here. So possibly once it trades below 1955 you can go short for 1950, 1940. 1940 is again a strong support zone. This is the number we have been following since long, and below 1940 still till 1920 level there are support for silver out there. So you can go short here at 1955 or 19.55 levels. The directional movement here is bullish. It is willing to converge. The stochastic is at high, looking vertically down from here. It is looking forward to a drop. The MACD is willing to cross over for a sell entry. RSI is looking for a vertical drop. Possibly a bearish move can be expected, but at the same time, look at the hourly charts. Same higher lows, lower highs, and you can find out the support there at 1955 can be strong. Yes, go short or sell below 1955. Expect 1950, 1945, 1940, 1930 and 1920. These are the levels at which you have to be cautious. At every 5 till 40, and then after that every 10 points there is a resistance, or every 10 cents there is a resistance till 1920. Below 1920 we can definitely expect a good drop. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. RSI is looking downwards. So indicating little mixed indication here, rather I will say. On the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, buy entry is only above 1970 levels. Above 1970 till 1980 you have to be alert, because 1980 is the ultimate resistance for the day. If it breaks past 1980, you can certainly expect that this time it may try to achieve 2000 level possibly. So yes, above 1970 you can buy, but be alert till 1980 levels, because 1980 is going to be the stronger resistance for the day. At the same time, Breaching 1980 does not mean that it will immediately fly. Let it sustain for a little and then expect that possibly if it sustains above this, then definitely we may see it flying further highs till towards 2000 levels. Directional movement is bullish here on the 3-hour chart. The stochastic is in a perfect level, neither bullish nor bearish here. The MACD is willing to converge here. RSI is also converging, and you can see it is sloping downwards on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, on the 4-hour charts, likewise lower highs, higher lows. 1980, 1950 levels, 1955 levels, very strong support zone there. So yes, sell below 19, sell at 1955, expect 1950 immediate support, 1945, 1940. These three levels you should watch out for. Any drop below 1940 will take it till towards 1930, 1920, which is a very strong support, and below that you can expect a sharper drop which might cover the move till towards 1900 and below levels. Be cautious, it can give you a sharper move on the downside if it continues to trade below 1940 levels. On the upside, be watchful of 1980. Beyond that, definitely we can see a sharper rise. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is also bullish. The MACD is also trading with divergence, and RSI is trading with a flat slope. Considering this, you can sell silver at 1955 levels or $19.55 and buy silver at 1970 levels. Above 1970, be cautious and alert. Till 1980, you have to trail your stop loss, and then specifically you have to shift or trade the stop loss at cost. Above 1980, you can expect that we may 1985, 1990, and then 2000 levels will be seen. Beyond that, it will fly. On the downside, as I said, below 1960, 1955, yes, you can go short, but then below 1940 is the real move which might come, and then below 1940 you can expect 1930, 1920, and in fact 1900 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. The next video on gold will be up before the US cash session. So do watch that. Do press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.